The viewer, before dive deep to the video of today on this setup here on the table, please go ahead and subscribe, because your subscription ignites the power in me to generate or to make more intuitive videos. In the video of today, we will talk about this handheld material, which is a glue gun. What is a glue gun? A glue gun is a hand tool electric material that melts an adhesive glue. Means in that definition there are glues, means which are glue sticks. Then you have the material that melt that glue, which is made by this nozzle, which is electric heating material, and then the aperture on which you insert a glue stick. Glue sticks are made of material which, when heat is applied on it, melts quickly, and then that enables it to flow into the small nozzle of glue gun. Using a glue gun, you just insert the glue stick inside the aperture like this, and make sure it hit the obstacle or it get inside the heating material, and then after all you plug the glue gun into the socket. Then on like this, the glue stick get melted. As you see here, you can like apply them to the surface on which you want to create a bond like this. And then put another part so that you are able to bind the two parts together using a glue gun. Can be applied for both plastics, for binding quickly plastics, cartons, cardboards, wood like this. Where you are going to use your bond, there will be not too much force that will exerted on binded material. The glue gun can be a right tool to be used while binding your material. Guys, hope that you enjoyed the video. Please give a hand by subscribing on this channel. Ciao, bye, I love you.